How do you reconcile the marketing with the keywords that we are supposed to offer to the client, say forex trading, and then it's very high competition keyword, and then the client should be obsessed over the keyword, right? And we were saying, and Steve were saying that which one is more important? Is it the keyword or is it the visits or the
profit?
The profit, yeah. But how do we reconcile that whenever we market? Because we propose the keywords, right?
That's the thing. When you need to do it right up front, it's a re-education process of the client. So right at the start, you need to tell them or work with them to come up with a metric that is not rankings focused. So right up front, I don't sell them on the, hey, I'm going to get you for Forex trading. I sell them on, I'm going to get you enough leads within 3 to 4 months to reach break even.
And actually, that's a subtle distinction there. I'll say to them, look, you know, this month we're targeting these keywords or these topics, and that is going to help you rank for a whole bunch of other things. Because I already had the discussion with them and sort of said, look, you know, SEOs are going for lasers, not torch beams. We go after, you know, this keyword, that keyword, that keyword. We're focusing on, you know, specific topics that we're working on. But the effect on your site is that traffic overall is going to go up, because you're going to, as you build the authority in your site, you're going to rank for a whole bunch of other things that you didn't rank for before. That's all as a result of the work that we're doing at that low level. So it's an education process for sure.
Yeah, I would start educating the client. When you sell that game of rankings, it's hard.
Yeah,
it's a hard space to be in.
You don't control it. That's the problem. Yeah.